Alright, we have a 2023 Mercedes Benz. It's a C300 and it is saying service be overdue by 1,234 miles. So the oil, I changed the oil already and the filter, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to reset this car. So first, what I need to do, without pressing the brake pedal, go ahead and locate the engine start button, press it one time. So once I press it one time, you see the airbag light on the screen like that. So ensure that it is in the trip position where you see the miles. So this car is a total of 21,000 miles. So the next thing you need to do is locate the OK button and the home button. So once you locate the home button, you're going to go ahead and press the home button for about 10 seconds. Hold it down. Release and press the OK button for 10 seconds and then release. And after release, you'll see a menu pop up. Once that menu pops up, then you can scroll down to Assist Plus. When you reach Assist Plus, select full service, then select oil grade, and then press confirm service, and then you're all set.